Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start speaking to text immediately. First, confirm you're running a supported Windows version and your microphone is enabled. Test input levels in sound settings. Once the mic works, open the app or document where you want text, then press Windows plus H to launch voice typing. Allow the OS to use your microphone and enable online speech if you want better accuracy. Make sure you're in a quiet room and speak clearly. This first step gets you into a ready state fast. Now refine how voice typing converts speech into clean text. Click the settings gear in the toolbar to enable auto-punctuation and install any additional language packs you need. This reduces manual edits later. If you prefer control, say punctuation like comma or period, otherwise rely on auto-punctuate for natural formatting. Once done, speak in complete phrases and pause briefly between sentences so the system segments text correctly. Make sure your microphone stays stable. Finish by stopping voice typing with the mic button or Windows plus H and review the transcribed text. Edit any misrecognized words directly or redictate short phrases to correct them. If punctuation or capitalization looks off, toggle auto-punctuate or say commands like new line. One key troubleshooting tip: if accuracy worsens, check microphone drivers and Windows updates, try a different mic, and confirm language and speech settings match your accent. If problems persist, restart the app and test again in a different quiet room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.